This is my 2024 GMC Sierra with a 3-liter Duramax, and I'm going to pay to void the warranty on this truck. If you're asking yourself, that seems silly, well, it kind of is. And it wasn't the original plan, really. So the deal is, my truck is the Elevation Edition. It's not the AT4. It was never the plan to be the AT4. But it was always expected that I needed to raise this truck. I always needed to lift it. And the original plan was to go with the GM 2-inch lift, which is the same thing as the AT4, but it's cheaper to do it this way than buying the AT4. So the kicker is, the CV shafts that come with the AT4 suspension kit have been on back order for forever. They've just always been on back order. Well, as you can see, I'm camping for this weekend, but it's not much different than my daily work too. So if I'm going to keep my truck this low, I'm going to damage the front end, and that's probably going to cost more than buying a lift kit. Now here's the thing, because it's discontinued, I have very limited options on things I can do of good quality. So I put a down payment on a suspension kit the other day. 3-inch in the front, 2-inch in the rear, so it's actually going to be a little bit taller than an AT4, which is better. I mean, less issues with rubbing, get bigger tires and things like that. But if anybody's been on the internet for any amount of time, you know that this wonderful Duramax has potential issues just in general. And this truck just in general has potential issues. It's new, a lot of wires, a lot of technology, lots of greatness, but lots of potential issues. And you might be thinking, Nikki, that's great. You just kind of talked in circles about something that doesn't really totally make sense. Well, there's some cows around here. The things that's going to get voided, anything related to steering, CV shafts, if they want to blame the transmission going out on the tires, which there are issues with this transmission from time to time, which are generally covered under warranty, but if it goes out 5,000 miles from now, I think I'm going to be out of pocket for that transmission. Granted, the wires, the oil pan leaking, anything of that nature, the motor just blowing up, that's going to still be covered. All the expensive diesel parts, the emissions, that stuff's not going to get voided. But I am choosing to spend almost $3,000 on a quality coilover suspension kit to add larger tires, so that way if something goes wrong, I can pay out of pocket. So that's what I've been wrestling with. I think we're going to set the tent up right up here. It's pretty flat up in this general direction. Someone's over there. So you might be asking, well, it's just backward. Why wouldn't you just go, wait a minute? Why wouldn't you just wait 2 seconds? So over the December holidays, I will need to buy some snow tires for a trip that's coming up, and possibly for work, which would likely be in the snow here pretty soon for me as well, instead of being in the south where, you know, it's sandy and dirty and there's no snow here. But because I have to buy, not because I have to, because I would like to buy snow tires and go ahead and start the upgrade process while I have low miles on the truck, I'm not going to buy snow tires for a truck that has 20s on it, because I'm going to put 18s, and I'm going to put bigger tires, some 34 to 35 inch tires. Yeah, so I'm voiding the warranty on the truck on a lot of components, more than just a couple, more than, you know, maybe than is first initially expected when you put a lift kit on, whatever. There's a lot of things that I can't fix myself on this truck and don't intend to fix by myself. I didn't buy it and then randomly think, oh, I should do some stuff to it. It's like, no, this was always the plan. This was always the plan, to build it out, get it, you know, this was just the thing. The reality is that the suspension kit that I picked is far superior in quality, improvement, ride height is greater. Everything about it is better than the GM lift kit. It just doesn't have the warranty, which is so much peace of mind. But that being said, we're going to be taller, stronger, ride better, smoother. Just everything about it will be better. It won't need a leveling kit. I was going to level that GM suspension because that doesn't necessarily void warranty as aggressively as a full-on lift kit does. So everything about what we're doing is going to be better, but GM doesn't like it, and they think it's a bad decision. I really wanted to just start doing update videos in addition to, I have part videos coming because I keep buying parts for this truck in addition to lift kits and like little things here and there, so I'm going to keep doing those, but I want to just do like update videos, like how I'm feeling about the truck, how things are going, fuel mileage. If you watched my last video, you saw this truck's getting at 31 miles per gallon with a top out at like 38.6 miles per gallon, something like that I actually got on a road trip. So as I'm doing these update videos, I would like to see the comments down below if there's a particular aspect of updates that you would like to hear about, because I'm just going to keep doing these, and if I can incorporate something that helps y'all, it would be great. I've already done a handful of videos that have been responding to comments, And I really enjoy doing that because that makes it feel like I'm helping the community, helping people answer questions. There's not that many people doing videos on this truck with this motor, even though there's a bunch on the road. I've never even seen somebody do a review on the Elka shocks, or Elka coilovers that I bought for this truck. So I'm hoping to kind of fill some gaps there with this truck, put any worries to rest, or let people know what you should be worried about. So anyways, if you like this type of video, go ahead and leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and then subscribe, because obviously the lift kit is coming. The down payment's in there. You know, that should get installed here in the next couple weeks, and then wheels and tires shortly after, because our friends at Tire Rack is our affiliate. So check out that link down below if you are interested in some wheels and tires, and they can get you hooked up real well. Outside of that, the sun's going to go down in less than an hour, and everything that I'm going to sleep in tonight is still on a box. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.